So it appears Tumblr is now rolling out age verification systems for lots of users, and people are only just starting to notice because complaints have suddenly started appearing across Reddit and Tumblr and various support forums. Users are reporting different things, verification prompts, lockouts, different adult checks, and in some cases, Australia primarily being unable to access their account at all. Now, Tumblr has now officially confirmed the rollout, saying it's happening to comply with local laws. And importantly, the verification is all a third party company called KID. Now, at first, this looked like it might only just be affecting Australia, but I've had a quick check in the UK and I'll show you what currently happens on my account. So, just to summarize what we think is happening, Australia are fully age gated. So, to access the site, you need to verify your age. Brazil and the UK, we think mature content. So, you need to verify, but you can use your account normally at the moment. And the rest of the world, not really affected yet. Let's have a quick look at the age verification settings in Tumblr. Now, I'm in the UK, so if I try and access any mature content or anything like that, I'll get the age verification. I won't do that because YouTube will ban me if I do anything like that. I'll go and show you the security settings. And here there's a little button saying show mature content. Now, you can see that will be disabled because of two things. I haven't verified my age, and I'm in one of the targeted countries, so I'm in the UK. You can see there is an option to verify age. If I did verify that, and I sent my passport or driving license to Tumblr, or KID, I think it is, that button would become enabled. So let me just show you how it changes. What we'll do is go and start my VPN. I've got a Chrome extension. I use NordVPN. You can use it with a normal program and a Chrome extension. Let's change to somewhere. I won't change to Australia because they are also being targeted. In fact, they're the first country that's being targeted, Australia. Let me change to Belgium. And here we can see I've now connected to Belgium. I have a Belgium IP address and it'll think I'm in Belgium. So let me just go to this page and refresh it. And now it thinks I'm in Belgium. And if I go to the mature content button, you can see it will turn and I can show mature content and blur mature content. And that's because it now thinks I'm in Belgium. So it hasn't rolled out to Belgium yet. The age verification think is in Brazil, Australia, and UK currently, but that could change any day. So the rollout seemed to really surface initially through user complaints. People started posting screenshots showing age verification prompts appearing unexpectedly across Tumblr. A few people have described getting stuck in these verification loops. Others say they've completed the checks only to be asked again straight afterwards. And there's also some reports from adults over 18 who verified still repeatedly being challenged by the system. So at the moment, it seems to be a regional rollout rather than the global one. So people are seeing different things. As I've seen, as I understand it, Australia is a complete block unless you've age verified, but it's being rolled out, so you might not have seen it yet. UK is an adult verification for adult content, so you can log in normally, but you won't be able to see mature content unless you age verify. And nowhere else, apart from Brazil, is being really affected. Yeah, as we can see, there were no restrictions on Belgium at all. So now the key confirmation that the rollout is actually real is Tumblr has published this official announcement on May the 6th called Keeping Tumblr Safe in a Changing Online World. And the important line, probably this one. Starting today, to comply with local laws, some users in Australia will need to verify their age to keep using their account. Tumblr says verification can trigger when you log in. Now, I tried an Australian connection. I didn't see this. When accessing certain content, I didn't try that. Or when local regulations require stronger safeguards. So it sounds like it could just appear. It's going to happen in Australia. Tumblr frames all this as legal compliance. Of course, Australia have blocked social media for under 16s. So presumably Tumblr responding to that. So it's not like a redesign of the platform, it's a legal compliance, and it's going to happen globally, probably. Okay, so one of the other important details here is who's actually processing this age verification. Well, it says Tumblr says it's being handled through a company called KID. Is their webpage. And KID apparently specializes in age assurance systems, parental permission tools, and youth access compliance. Well, according to Tumblr, the platform itself only receives confirmation that a user has passed verification. Tumblr does not directly receive the underlying identity documents themselves. But KID looks like it's connected to wider gaming and online platform infrastructure. I think they were mentioned in Discord as well, alongside Persona. So this is part of a much larger verification ecosystem. So a load of these companies jumping on this age verification. So Tumblr's own documentation gives a few more details about how the system works. Still a bit sketchy though, really. Users may be offered selfie-based age estimation. That'll be sort of biometrics, government ID verification, bank-based verification, but only in some regions, that, and reusable digital credentials. Now, that's a company called AgeKey, which is this company here. Now, I must admit, I don't know much about these, but I'm going to investigate them when I get a chance. Tumblr says selfie analysis happens locally on device. And it also says uploaded identity documents are deleted after verification. Now, we've heard that before. These are the platform's stated policies anyway. So, unsurprisingly, some users remain pretty skeptical about how much information is ultimately being shared between the platforms and third party verification providers. We've been misled on these subjects several times in the past. So there's obviously some apparent regional pattern going on here. That's quite obvious. Now, Australia is still the only country Tumblr has directly named in its public announcement, but users are now reporting the system's appearing in other countries too, including UK and Brazil. But again, it's not happening all at once, from what I can see anyway. So it's not really surprising when you look at the wider regulatory environment. All these are not a coincidence. The three countries here, Australia, UK, and Brazil, are probably leading the age verification race, if you want to call it that. And they've got a lot of pressure from online age enforcement, child safety rules, and platform accountability laws, which is probably the one they're really worried about. So Tumblr hasn't announced a global rollout yet, like some countries, but companies. But this increasingly looks like a phased country by country expansion. I would expect that Tumblr, like all the other companies, are not going to have a model for each country. They're going to do it all globally. So it looks like Tumblr has officially entered the age verification era. They're going to use external verification through KID primarily, and the rollout looks like it's going to extend beyond Australia into countries like the UK and the rest of the world after that. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking or subscribing, and I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye for now.